here today. Let's learn the ABC. A is for ant, march, march, march. B is for beaver, build, build, build. C is for crow, caw, caw, caw. D is for dog, bow, wow, wow. E is for eagle, fly so high. F is for frog, jump to the sky. G is for gorilla, thump, thump chest. H is for hedgehog, tiny and best. A, B, C, animal party. Sing and dance, so happy. Learning letters every day. Come and play the animal way. I is for insect, buzz, buzz, buzz. J is for jackal, run on the trail. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump high. L is for lion, roar so loud. M is for monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is for newt, splash in the spring. O is for owl, hoo, hoo, hoo. P is for parrot, talk, talk, talk. A, B, C, animal party. Sing and dance, so happy. Learning letters every day. Come and play the animal way. Q is for quokka, smile all day. R is for raccoon, sneak, sneak, sneak. S is for shark, swim, swim fast. T is for tiger, strikes that last. U is for Uriel, climb so high. V is for vulture, soar in the sky. W is for wolf, awoo tonight.